Hey, I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to review the last 3 months of Ipsy. They're my first 3 months, and I think after every 3 months I should review and see if it's worth it. So stay tuned. Was it worth it for me? Okay, welcome. So I'm going to review Ipsy, and this was my December bag. October, November, December bag. All right, so we're gonna look into what was in each bag, and I hate long videos, so I'll try and make this fast. So this is what I got in my October bag. I got a pretty bag, a repair cream, the foundation, mascara, eyeshadow, and the brush. Then came November, and I got a blush, a bronzer, eyeshadow, metallic eyeshadow, and lip stain, and pretty bag. And also there was lip balm type stuff that I used up and actually threw away, I think. And then finally, December was this bag, the brush, the nail polish, the eyeshadow, the lip scrub, and an eyeliner. So let me rearrange them now that you've seen everything I got for the last 3 months, and rearrange them, and let's talk about, was it worth it? All right, so let's talk about all the things I love. Picture up here. Okay, so hand cream, amazing, love it. We'll probably repurchase. The bag, it was just like, it was so fun. Like, I want to save it for a special occasion, but I'm like, fuck it, I'm never gonna go for a special occasion, so I'm gonna put it in my bag and enjoy it this winter. Because it's so pretty and fun. Okay. Tarte blush, the Amazonian blush, which is like Amazonian clay. What the fuck is that? That doesn't even exist. It's not a real thing. But I actually really like it. And remember, I don't know if you saw my video, I have rosacea, and so I hate using blush, but you know what? I actually do. This works perfectly. No irritations, no problems. This bronzer, that's only like $5 bronzer, but it was so pretty in the packaging with a little tiger and the Lisa Frank, and you know what? It works great. So what's a win? So we're up to like $6 worth of blush, if you do the numbers, and it's $5 there, so $11. And this little thing would be probably like $6, I think. Let me look at my notes, hold on. So this is about like $6. Like a 2-ounce container is $12. When you could buy a big container of it for like $34. So that's probably what I'll do, because I really like this. Like, that was worth it for me. Thank you, Ipsy. All right. Swapping back and forth. 2 brushes, the Firma and the, was it Luxie? They're about $12, $14 in different colors, but they're really nice brushes. I use them a lot. They're dirty. They need to be cleaned. And so those were definitely worth it. Okay, so next to the things that were like kind of worth it. All right, bag, really like, definitely use it, so have been using it, so awesome. But like, I could live without it, but still really good. This foundation sample was like totally the wrong color, okay? But I really liked it. I tried it on anyway, and I really liked it. So I'll probably repurchase in the correct color when I get a chance to like go sample it and try it out. I love Makeup Forever products. Their old Face and Body was like my HG foundation, and then they changed the formula and it just didn't work for me. So I'm still on a search, and this one could be it. Who knows? So love that. But you know, like, not love. All right, and then this eyeshadow, like, I could give or take it, but I really like it. It's a lot of fun. It's metallic-y. It changes color. Unfortunately, you have to pack it on for it to be all fancy, but like, then I pack it on. Do I leave the house like this? I look ridiculous, and I don't go out very often at night. So at night it would be amazing. I wore it the other day just for fun around the house. Okay. Oh, so this mascara, it falls in my in-between thing because I tried it. It made my eyes all itchy and red, and I can't have it. But you know what? I might have bought that, so it saved me money. So it's in the Ipsy was good for me pile. And then this black eyeliner, it comes on kind of thick. I like it a little thinner, but and on my hand eye coordination is not that good. But you know what? It's a great eyeliner. Didn't irritate my eyes at all. And so it's a keeper, but like not like, oh my God, I must have it, but still a good thing. This Pixi by Petra, I was looking at their stuff at Target. And when I swatched these, they didn't come out very well, but you know what? I really like using them. Don't make my eyes red, and they're cheap. So look at this. Hey, look, I went on their website. Look at this. Look at those purples, like, and that's like $6 for that palette. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to have it. So this was a helpful thing for Ipsy. So thank you, Ipsy, and I've been using it. I mean, I think I'll probably just throw this in my purse because I don't know. It gives you something to do, and it's easy. Might even travel with it. Who knows? Okay. And then finally, here's the stuff that just didn't work for me. I should make my eyes itch. I could give a shit about the nail polish and lip scrub. And that's about it. So what else was in there? Oh, and the purse and the little bag. Whatever. It's nice. I'll use it, but you know. So was Ipsy worth it for me? That's all that matters. And I think definitely it was. I mean, the numbers add up. There's at least, I paid $30 and there's at least $40 worth of products, which I love. A whole bunch of things that were okay. And then, you know, that were helpful, but didn't need, right? And then a bunch kind of fails, I guess. But I loved it. It was so exciting every time opening it up, and for that, like that thrill, I don't know if it's quantitative, but qualitative, it's so much fun. So yes, I'm gonna keep signing up with Ipsy. I'll probably review every 3 months or so to see. So this is my January review. And then I'll review again maybe after March bag and see if it's worth it for me, because I'm not into wasting money and having too much crap around. Like, I've got to get rid of some of this crap. I don't like having vast quantities of makeup to choose from. I don't know, that's me, minimalist. So thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blonde. Bye.